Yeah, this was a case out of Taunton, Massachusetts, and it was the homeowner who, about 5 or 6 years ago, finished up their basement, spent tens of thousands of dollars to turn their basement area into a finished space for their family. And before they buttoned everything up, they knew there's a foundation crack. They were assured by the contractor doing it. It's never leaked. It's not an issue. Don't worry about it. Don't waste your money spending on this. And so they believed him and they said, okay, let's button this thing up and enjoy our nice living space. Well, they had, just over the weekend here, they had some issues in the walls where they started seeing sort of piles of dust around the perimeter on one of the walls. And so they hired a company to come in and open up the wall to see what was going on there, to see if there was some issues happening behind the walls that they couldn't see. And come to find out, the entire foundation on that wall was infested with termites. And so it went up through the sill plate, destroyed a lot of the sill plate, a lot of the floor joists going up. It's undetermined whether or not they've gone into other areas of the home, but definitely down in the basement. So they had an exterminator come in to see what was going on and why they were coming in. And sure enough, the point of origin was the foundation wall crack. Now, this foundation wall crack was probably about 1/8 of an inch wide, something that had never leaked through the course of the house. House has been built since 1995, so it's something that has been, now 30 plus years of no leaking and no issues, according to the contractor, and the homeowners didn't know any better either. So they buttoned everything up. Come to find out, all of the termites were coming in through this crack. So and they caused about $25,000 worth of carpentry damage, both to the main structure of the house, meaning siding, underneath the siding, as well as the sill plate, which is structural loading, as well as the foundation basement that they had recently finished. So, something that was going to be a repair of less than $1,000 with a warranty caused tens of thousands of dollars of damage. So a lot of people ask me, well, it's not leaking, why should I bother repairing it? And when I talk about, ants and carpenter ants and termites and boring beetles actually making their way through foundation cracks, I'm usually met with a lot of skepticism that this doesn't happen. I've never heard of that. But the reality is it does happen. It's not super frequent, but when it does happen, it is a disaster for some homeowners. And this could have been easily prevented just with a simple repair of the foundation wall by A1 Foundation Crack Repair. It's something that we do all the time, and they could have enjoyed that basement space for as it was for many more years, but unfortunately, because they ignored it, it became a huge issue, and now they have to do a lot of renovation on the recently renovated basement.